What's up, guys? So it's a nice 10-degree day. So I figured I'd give you a little update on what's going on with the mods. So it turns out me and a bunch of the other Indian motorcycle ambassadors are going down to Daytona for the first weekend. And we were given the option to fly down and just get one of the rental bikes. But I decided we're taking this pig. So we got a little over a month to get all this stuff done. So anyway, I was drinking a little too much bourbon the one night and went a little crazy online ordering stuff. So we'll get into that. But first, I know I've been putting this off for a while, but I cut 17 millimeters off the end. So if you remember from the Tail of Dragon trip on both sides, we were scraping. So this will still hit before this bag does. Speaking of the bags, these are these nice new carbon fiber bags from TNA Performance. If you look back here, they have a nice relief here, so the chances of this hitting are slim to none. You do lose a little bit of space inside, but they fit just like a factory bag. Obviously, factory hinges and everything like that. And you still get your 2 clicks on there. The bag alone is 5 pounds lighter than stock bag. So if you couple the bag, the lid, and the hinges, you're looking at around 12 pounds lighter on each side. So you're close to 25 pounds lighter on the back of the bike by swapping to these. He also sent me his carbon fiber license plate holder. This didn't save that much weight over the CMP, but it just kind of blended everything in real nicely. It's basically the same type of design as CMP, but there's metal. This is carbon. Then he also sent me the fake airbox cover here. So I'm happy with the bags, happy with the way it looks. He uses a slightly different type of carbon than DTF does, which is this fender. So he does make a fender too, but he wasn't making when I bought this. So if you see in the camera with the lights, you'll see slightly different shades of color. In the sunlight, you really can't see it, but with the fluorescent lights, you can see it. The issue we ran into was you can see the OEM mounts. So to combat that, I started talking with Toast. We were talking about getting the new Toast system for this anyway, so they're gonna get it ready for me before Daytona, but I'm ordering it without the bag supports welded to the actual pipe. So this is gonna be an option that they're gonna include on the website moving forward for people who want to ride, who don't want to use the exhaust or this type of support for the bags, because CMP and TNA, same people make these. So TNA makes them in carbon, CMP makes them in metal, but it's a metal support bracket, L bracket, that comes down here and goes under, very similar to like the Harley style. So that way the bags are fully supported and it doesn't require anything down here. So like if you're running a shorter Sawicki exhaust or something like that, you'd want those supports anyway. So that'll clear up this kind of eyesore here and make them nice and clean. And then moving forward, we are doing the Barnstorm kit from Kyle at Forever Rad. So he built the kit on his website, everything I needed, write down the list, and then he just sends you everything. While I have this all apart, I remember from my fog light video, this harness is way too long. I'm just gonna shorten it about that much, floats back through there, and then connects here. So that's gonna be a quick and easy deal. And then for the kit, I opted for the 6-inch Roland Sands risers. These are a really nice kit. I didn't do the Behringer brakes. I didn't really want to spend that much extra money currently. I might upgrade in the future. But I got these adapters for it. And then I sprung for the SBC Performance solid bushings for the risers. The bars, we went with an Odie kit. With the Odie kit, it is really nice running these wires. So the Odie kit already comes with the indexing for your throttle. Comes with the holes and everything. The only thing it doesn't come with are the holes for your controls, to index your controls. So what you'll just do for your controls is just grind down this tab and then you'll be good to go. Still waiting on the actual Barnstorm kit. It should be in tomorrow, and then I'll start splicing and dicing this whole thing. Pretty sure that's about it. I don't think I mentioned on the video, I also got the LP6 kit from Kyle as well. This thing is stupid bright. But that's pretty much all the mods we're doing for the winter. And then it'll all be back together hopefully in a week or two. New exhaust should be here in a week or two, and then we'll get it all together just in time for Daytona.